So you're trying to decide how to get into AI governance, and you're trying to decide which way to go, certifications or experience. My name is George McPherson, and I want to help you with that framework today. A recent 2026 market analysis of AI governance job postings revealed that the industry heavily prioritizes hands-on operational experience, treating certifications as a powerful salary multiplier rather than a replacement for time in the field. Here's the breakdown of the current AI governance job market based on recent enterprise hiring data. Experience versus certifications. The data shows that companies are seeking professionals who can operationalize governance programs rather than relying on framework knowledge alone. Experience is the baseline. 85% of AI governance roles target mid-level professionals and require a minimum of 5+ years of experience. Only a small fraction of roles are open to junior candidates without significant prior experience in risk, privacy, or compliance. Degrees remain standard. 66% of all AI governance postings still require a formal degree. Certifications as a premium rather than replacing the experience requirement. Certifications validate specialized knowledge. For example, the AIGP certification yields an average of 13% salary premium, while holding multiple relevant certifications can increase compensation by up to 27%. Most requested certifications. The AI Governance Core. These are the most explicitly requested certifications for dedicated AI governance, privacy, and risk roles. Number one, AIGP, Artificial Intelligence Governance Professional, currently the premier credential for these roles. It is heavily cited as organizations scramble to meet EU AI Act and the ISO 42001 compliance deadlines. Number two, CIPP, US and CIPPE, Certified Information Privacy Professional, extremely common as 68% of privacy professionals are already handling AI governance duties, making privacy the strongest feeder pipeline to this career path. Number three, C-Risk, Certified in Risk and Information Systems Control, consistently ranked as a top requirement for professionals handling AI risk assessments and tiering. Security and technical overlap for roles that bridge AI governance with technical implementation and cybersecurity. Postings frequently request standard security credentials alongside AI knowledge. The CISSP, Certified Information Systems Security Professional. The CISM, Certified Information Security Manager. The CIPT, Certified Information Privacy Technologist. Let's call out some emerging specialized certifications. Enterprise audit and assurance roles, such as AI Assurance Director, are increasingly listing preference for newer, highly specialized frameworks like the NIST AI RMF Architect, the Osaka AAIA Artificial Intelligence Auditor. If you are targeting these roles, the most effective strategy is to combine 5+ years of foundational experience in risk or privacy with the AIGP certification to directly address current enterprise compliance needs. Now, notice what you heard in that. 5+ years of foundational experience in risk or privacy with the AIGP certification. With the AIGP certification. Basically, what we're saying, I want this to I want to drive this home, is the certification is the icing on the cake. You can't get the high paying salary without the cake. Your experience is the cake. Now, that's why we call it icing. Having that experience and sprinkling it with the right certifications, that's the icing. It makes the cake look even more appetizing, where you can get a premium and more elevated salary on top of already high salary. Subscribe for more AI governance content. All right, I'll see you in the next one.